boys and girls. This week we will meet a new character. This is Cass. She will be starting to go to class 6 after school. What is class 6? What will Cass do there? Who will she meet? What do you think the kids in the picture are doing? Well, let's learn some words and skills so that we can read about Cass and class 6. The first word is any. Say the word any. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Any. Any. I was too full to eat any pie. Say the word again after me. Any. Look at the letters in the word. Now spell it out loud with me. A-N-Y. In this word, the letter A stands for the short E sound, eh. The letter Y stands for the long E sound, E. Blend both syllables with me. Any. Any. Now, skywrite the word any. A-N-Y. Now try to write it without looking. A-N-Y. Our next word is done. Say the word done. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Done. I'm done with all of my chores. Say the word again after me. Done. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. D-O-N-E. In this word, the letter O stands for the short U sound, The letter E is silent. Blend with me. D-N. Done. Now skywrite the word done. D-O-N-E. Close your eyes and try to write it without looking. D-O-N-E. The next word is laugh. Say the word laugh. We laugh when we hear a funny joke. Say the word again after me. Laugh. Look at the letters in the word. Spell the word with me. L-A-U-G-H. In this word, the letters A-U stand for the short A sound, ah. The letters G-H stand for the sound f. Blend with me. L-A-F. Laugh. Now skywrite the word laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Close your eyes and try to write it without looking. L-A-U-G-H. Your next word is long. Say the word long. Her hair is so long she can sit on it. Say the word again after me. Long. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. L-O-N-G. The letter O stands for the short O sound, aw. The letters N-G stand for the sound ng. Blend with me. O-aw-ng. Long. Now skywrite the word long. L-O-N-G. Now close your eyes and try to write it without looking. L-O-N-G. Good job. Your next word is more. Say the word more. We have more food if you're still hungry. Say the word again after me. More. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. M-O-R-E. The letters O-R-E stand for the sound or. Blend with me. Or. More. Now skywrite the word more. M-O-R-E. Close your eyes and try to write it without looking. M-O-R-E. The next word is pull. Say the word pull. I like to pull our puppy in a wagon. Say the word again after me. Pull. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. P-U-L-L. In this word, the letter U stands for the sound Blend with me. P-U-L. Pull. Now skywrite the word pull. P-U-L-L. Now close your eyes and try to write it without looking. P-U-L-L. Your next word is teacher. Say the word teacher. I kind of like this word. You will have a different teacher next year. Say the word again after me. Teacher. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. The letters E-A stand for the long E sound, E. The letters C-H stand for the sound ch. The letters E-R stand for the sound Blend each syllable with me. T-E-ch-er. Teacher. Now skywrite the word teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Now close your eyes and try to write it without looking. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Good job. Your last word is think. Say the word think. Repeat the word after me. Think. I think that's a great idea. Say the word again after me. Think. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud together. T-H-I-N-K. The letters T-H stand for the sound th. The letter I stands for the short I sound, I, and the letters N-K stand for the sound nk. Blend with me. Th-I-nk. Think. Now skywrite the word think. T-H-I-N-K. Now close your eyes and try to write it without looking. T-H-I-N-K. Good job. Now let's read all of the new words that we just learned together, starting on the first line. Ready? Any, done, laugh, long, more, pool, teacher, think. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that you learned how to blend sounds to say words? Well, I am going to say all the sounds in a word, and you are going to guess what the word is. All right, you can look on the tiles on the screen to help you. Each tile represents one sound in a word. So I will say all the sounds in a word, and you will blend the sounds and tell me what the word is. Ready? All right, the first one is P-O-A-N. What's the word? Plan. Very good. Okay, let's try another one. P-O-A-N-T. Plant. Very good. Now you're going to keep blending sounds to say words, but this time you're going to give me a thumbs up if you see the picture that goes with the word that you blended. Some, but not all the words that you say will have a picture, okay? Are you ready? Good. The first one is What's the word? Thumb. Thumbs up if you see a thumb. Very good. Okay, next one. K-O-O. Coal. Do you see any coal? Nope. All right, what about cat? Cat. Very good. You should have a thumbs up for cat. What about it? Mitt. Very good. Thumbs up for mitt. And raft. What's the word? Raft. Is there a raft up there? No, there sure is not. Now, ant. I hear two consonants at the end of ant. A, n, t. Look at the two consonants that are underlined. The two letters that are underlined are both consonants, so it is a consonant blend. This consonant blend just happens to come at the end of the word. A, n, t. Okay, so we're going to say the picture name and the final blend. Ready? Ant, nt. Let's try that again. Ant, nt. The next word also has a final blend. I hear two consonant sounds at the end of lamp. Now look at the word lamp. We're going to say lamp and the final consonant. Ready? Lamp, Again, lamp, Milk, ilk. I hear two consonants at the end of milk. They are underlined. They are LK, ulk. Now we're going to say milk, ulk. Ready? Milk, ulk. Again, milk, ulk. Now we have st as in nest. St as in nest. ST is the final blend in nest. So we're going to say nest, st. Ready? Nest, st. Again, nest, st. Very good. Now look at this word. Do you see a final blend in this word? Yes, I do too. Which letters make up the final blend? Good, the L and the P. So I am going to draw a circle around the L and the P. Ulp. Let's read this word together. Ulp. Help. What's the word? Help. Very good. Now we're going to blend some words. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read the word. The first letter is F. Now let's slide over the next letter in line 2. I see one vowel followed by two consonants. So I will use the short vowel sound A. F, fa. Now look at the letters ST together. Remember the consonants in a blend keep their own sounds, said very closely together. St, st. Let's slide over the last two letters in line 3 and blend all the letters together in line 3. Fast. What's the word? Fast. Very good. Now we are going to practice writing a uppercase D, an uppercase F, and an uppercase P. To write an uppercase D, you're going to start on the top line and pull down. Then you're going to pick up your pencil and pull around to the bottom line. Practice this with your finger. Trace the D with your finger and then practice writing an uppercase D. To write an uppercase F, you also start on the top line and pull down. Pick up your pencil, go across the top, and then go across the middle on the dotted line just a little bit.